Hello, I'm Anup Birkon from Tata Steel. So today I'm at Mahindra. We have a meeting with Mr. Mitra, who's the financial director and the purchasing manager for the automotive sector. So we have talked talked from the phone several times and also communicated through email about our products and services. So today is the first time I'm meeting him face to face. So hopefully this meeting will go well and we'll have a deal at the end.
Let me come in.
Hello, good morning, Mr. Mitra.
Hey, how's it going?
I'm Anup from Tata Steel.
Anup, nice
Yeah.
to meet you. What's going on?
Yeah, we talked on the phone several times, but it's really
Take a
nice.
seat.
Thank you, sir. It's very nice to finally meet you in person, sir.
Perfect. I really appreciate the opportunity of meeting you. I know we've been talking over the email and everything. And yeah, I really appreciate the fact that you came here in person just to...
Same here, sir. Really excited. And also, I want to share the new model Tata 700. I saw the prototype while walking here. That is an amazing vehicle, sir.
I really appreciate it. I know the amount of work the engineers and everybody in my team put on it. And we are really excited to be launching the new vehicle. And we really expect it to be launching within the next 4 months. So
That's
yes,
amazing,
the whole
sir.
company is so excited about it.
I just saw I especially like the way that it looks in the headlight and the grill area. That's something new. I think your engineering team has done a perfect job doing that, designing that vehicle. Sir. It's very nice.
Appreciate your
Yeah.
input. Thanks.
Before we start, sir, is it only you and me? Is anybody joining the meeting?
I don't believe anybody's gonna be joining the meeting. So yeah, would you like a cup of coffee though?
No, I'm on. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for the offer, but I'm fine. Thanks. So I was on the phone with Angelina and she was telling that we could have 20 minutes for the meeting. Is it still possible?
Oh yeah, it is still possible. I'm actually short on time today, so yeah, I just got a 30-minute window, but I still think that I can accommodate you.
Okay, thank you very much.
Not a single problem.
I will keep it for 20 minutes and before we move forward, I would like to share the agenda that I have planned for today.
Perfect.
So first, we will give you a glimpse about who we are and what we can offer for you. Then I need to know from you that what are the needs that you have for your manufacturing facility here, for all your automotive needs. Then we will talk about our solution, what value as Tata Steel we can provide for Mahindra. And hopefully end of the day, end of the meeting, we'll get into a deal and we'll close the deal. That's what
I anticipate the best. Let's go.
Yes. So I have a few questions to get understanding about your product requirement and what are the services that you're currently using and would be needing.
Yeah, I'm all open to discussions.
So the first question that I have is how many metric tons of standard hot roll sheets that you'll be purchasing in your current situation?
For standard hot roll sheets, we're currently using like 4,000 metric tons per quarter. So
Amazing, that's actually okay. So is this for monthly basis or quarterly, half yearly?
that's for a quarter.
That's for a quarter. So 3 months you are purchasing around
4,000
4,000
metric
metric
tons.
tons of hot roll sheet.
Yep.
Okay, so that's nice. No? For the next one, I want to know is specialized microalloyed special strength steels. How much are you purchasing?
So we basically use the microalloy steel for just like the panels and the doors.
I think mostly for the frame of the vehicle.
Yeah, for the frame of the vehicle. So
And probably you're using the hot roll sheets for the body panels and the doors and
yeah, that's correct.
That's it.
And so yeah, we're using approximately 3,000 metric tons per quarter for that.
And this is also probably for quarter.
Oh yeah, for quarter as well.
Yes. One last question about
Yeah,
products.
go ahead.
Like coated products, are you purchasing any coated product right now? Because we also provide coated products as well based on your requirement.
Like the galvanized steel and the alloys and everything.
Any steel needs that you have, if you send us like how it has to be, like the shape of the steel and the strength of the steel, we are doing it, and the coat, whatever that you need to be coated, we are also providing that as well, sir.
So Mahindra is basically focused on meeting the requirements of galvanized steel and the other kind of equipments by itself, just so we maintain some safety requirements, as well as there are some products we just keep to the company. Like,
Or it's in-house
Yeah,
operation.
so-
Or basically, so you are purchasing hot roll sheets and you galvanize it in-house.
yeah, we just
Build process.
get it done in the factory.
Thank you, sir. Thanks.
Not a single problem.
So that's what basically I need to know about the products that you know. Sir. One more question. With your current supplier, what is the time period that from the moment that you place an order, what they say, let's say that you have done the payment and send the PO, from moment of the purchasing order, the time duration that you get the supplies, are you taking it on installments or like are you getting the like you say 4,000 metric ton, are they delivering it on the same time or?
So we usually get everything we order in just one shipment alone. I must say it becomes quite difficult to handle such huge amounts of, just substrate by itself at just once. I would really appreciate if your company would deliver products in installments. And yeah, talking about the delivery time, we have been encountering a lot of delays in shipments lately. I believe that is one of the prospects why you are here, because yeah, the last supplier delayed the shipment by 2 months and the company had to face major losses due to that.
Yes, sir. With that, one more question. Say that you have an ideal supplier with you. What do you expect from the ideal supplier? One thing is for sure, you need the shipment on time, and you also prefer that if it's possible, if we can provide the shipments in installments. That's already in my notes.
So quality has been the major requirement when it comes to automotive vehicles and everything.
I read the article that your new model is going to available in international market as well. So
I really appreciate that.
I will just keep a note of that, sir, because that's something that we are really proud of. Because as you know, we are the largest international supplier in India as well. So that's about it, sir. So one more question: do you use the same materials that you get from your current supply in all your product line, or is it like different suppliers that you have for different vehicles?
So it would be really beneficial for Mahindra to get one supplier for every type of steel we use, basically. So if Tata brings to the table that good of a deal, we would be readily accepting such kind of deal. And yeah, for now we have different kind of suppliers for different carbon content of steels, as well as the different kind of alloy compositions.
This is the last question that I have about.
No problem.
Currently, are you purchasing from a local supplier or is it an international supplier?
So at the moment, we're preferentially getting sourced from local suppliers, but I believe it would be more beneficial of a deal if we get an international supplier to supply us goods in the first place.
Okay, thank you very much.
Not a problem.
We'll move forward with that part you had to. That's what I want to know about the products. So let me share our solutions that what we think that will provide value to your automotive manufacturing plants. So first thing, we also provide the standard hot roll sheets specialized for the automotive industry, because sometimes you also get standard hot roll sheets which is available for industrial as well. So as you know, Tata still has separate industrial and industrial manufacturing and automotive manufacturing. So our standard hot roll sheets are specialized for automotive manufacturing. So
that's really nice.
So whatever the manufacturing processes that you use right now, our products, standard hot reels will have no problem getting into the manufacturing line. So you don't need to have any other machines replaced. You can just start using our standard hot roll sheets. And you said you are purchasing around 4,000 metric tons per quarter. And the installments, you said it's better if we can provide in installments, and also you said that you had a problem with your previous supplier.
Yeah.
So that is one thing that we can assure, because we have 8 manufacturing plants in different provinces in India alone, and we have 600 suppliers right now, from small business to large scale businesses, taking automotive steel products from us. And not only that, internationally we have 300 suppliers right now who's taking standard hot roll sheets from us. So I think whatever the concerns that you have with your current supplier, we can mitigate those with us.
Perfect.
And also, say you said the specialized microalloy steels.
Yeah.
So we also do supply specialized microalloy steel.
Oh, perfect.
It is the same manufacturing plants and same supplying. So, and I want to tell you about our supply chain. So I already mentioned you that we have 8 manufacturing plants here. So our supply chain is also under our company itself. We are not outsourcing. So all our transportation, manufacturing and transportation happen inside Tata Steel.
Oh, that's wonderful.
I probably know that you're aware that we also have freights and also aircrafts.
Oh yeah.
So I don't think that you will have any doubt with the supply section with us.
Yeah.
I
expect so.
Yeah. I will tell you about the installments that we have when we come to the payment section.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what I want to cover about the product side. I just wanted to know, it's like you said that your new model will be available in international market as well. So just to know the quoted products that will go into that vehicle, are you planning to manufacture inside for that as well?
No, we're planning to outsource it, just like import everything. But yeah, I cannot reveal the accurate time.
I understand. So I just want to know, like, if that's something that probably we could be, if we will be able to supply.
Oh yeah.
But I understand, sir, but that's perfectly fine.
Perfect. I really appreciate the understanding.
With that, sir, let me move into the solutions that we provide. I have a good idea about what are your requirements right now. So let me move into our solutions, and I think our product will be able to provide value to your company, sir. As India's largest automotive steel supplier, I think you have probably heard that our steels are lighter in weight and also stronger. That is the special manufacturing process that we use. So because of this, you can have stronger vehicles and also durable, as well as because of the lightweight, the performance of the vehicle will be increased. And also you mentioned about this installment and the supplies. So our supply is when you place your PO. Our basic to start the manufacturing process, we are charging just 30% of the total value.
Oh, that's cool.
That's not.
I'm quite impressed by that.
A lot of suppliers are not giving that option. So once the 30% payment is done, we are starting the manufacturing process. And since you said like you are using 4,000 metric tons of hot roll sheets and 2,000 metric tons of specialized alloy, so any order above 500 metric tons, automatically you are getting 5% discount on total value of the product of the order.
That's amazing.
And as long as the order is above 2,000 metric tons, you can go for installment in 6 to 12 months. And also supply, that this is one value that we provide to our customers, is you have the flexibility of making your own supplying schedule. So if you want 4,000 metric tons over a period of 3 months, we can provide you the exact amount that you want on the exact month.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yeah. And you said currently you are having 2 months supplying timeline.
Delay.
Our supply timeline is whenever you start place the PO and done this with the 30%, we are immediately starting our manufacturing, because we have 8 manufacturing plants, as I mentioned earlier.
Yeah.
So either one can start manufacturing your product, and our supply starts after 1 month. So the first
wonderful.
Month, yeah. So thank you. So the first month, it like we cannot supply anything, but from the second month onward, like after 30 days, you can you schedule how much you want on a specific time.
Oh, that's amazing.
Because within the first month we are done with your manufacturing, but we do have capacity to store more than 10,000 metric tons in each our product.
That's cool.
So whenever you want, we can, as I told you, logistics are also owned by Tata Steel. So anytime we can provide it to you, sir. And For specialized alloy, per metric ton, it will be 1500 per metric ton.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes.
That's a really competitive price.
So do you have any questions about what we covered so far?
I do not believe so. Actually, I'm running low on time, so.
I understand. So let me move forward with this. I'm really happy that you are impressed with our proposal. So going forward, sir, I just want to clarify one more thing. Like we talk about the price and what are the service we provide, but the one big thing that we have in our mind whenever we are meeting a customer as Tata Steel is that we want our buyers to have a hassle-free mind, because we are taking care of all the supplies from starting from the manufacturing, from when it is at your plant. So that's what we actually offer. So with the same, do you have any questions about the product? Do you need to know anything else? Did I cover everything for you?
I do not really believe by the quality of your presentation that I have encountered any questions even at the back of my mind. So yeah, I'm quite impressed.
That is amazing to hear, sir. So with that saying, we are in the last quarter of the year and there's a new quarter coming up. Why don't we say Tata Steel to be the new supplier for the Mahindra automotive?
I do not want to be certain on that just now, just because, since we are thinking about launching a new vehicle coming real soon, I need to discuss this policy because we're currently being sourced by some companies. So I need to let the branch managers as well as the production managers know about the upcoming changes, and I need to discuss some policy decisions with the whole team. So I will put forward this idea on the table. I mean, I'm really impressed by the services and the deals you have for us, and I would really think about it and propose this idea to my entire team.
Yes. Just one more thing I want to clarify to you, sir, because I think anyway, changing the supplier from one supplier to other suppliers has a, I know that you might be back in your mind also thinking like, okay, I just can buy steel from this guy, but the manufacturing I have to manage, you have to inform the employees everything. There's going to be changes, there's going to be a new metal coming into the production. That is something also we have considered when we talk to any of our buyers. Whenever you change the production, whenever a new customer come to us, we provide comprehensive training to the employees that is in the company about how to use our products, and it's completely free of charge. And if at any point of time, if you are changing your manufacturing process, we can be sure that our steel will work with any manufacturing process. But if you want the employees to have a proper training on how to use our steels on with your any of the manufacturing processes, we are there. We are providing comprehensive training that is part of our product.
Oh, that's really amazing.
Yes, sir. So I understand that what you said, you had to talk with your team before taking a decision. Is there anything, any doubt about the product that I haven't still covered? So you are still hesitant to take the decision, or is it you have to get more information of the product?
I believe I'm quite impressed, as well as Tata has been into the market for so long that it can be blindly trusted.
Thank you very much, sir.
I'm really intrigued by the prospect and the deals you have brought forward on the table, and I am looking forward to present these ideas as well as the offerings you have for the company. So yeah, I'm quite impressed, and I do not believe I have any questions at the back of my mind even. So yeah, I'm quite impressed, and let's see where things take us.
Thank you, sir. Also, hope to hear you from soon. I think after making the decision with your team, I'm expecting a positive feedback within the week.
Oh yes, I will try to get back to Tata as soon as possible.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much, sir. So it's a pleasure to meet you again. As we talk a lot on the phone, but finally it's good to have a face to the name. Thank you very much.
It was nice meeting you, Mr.
Hope to hear from you again very soon.
Perfect. We'll see you. Thanks.